Experiencing trouble accessing your CRA account through your bank's login? You're not alone. Many users encounter issues with the CRA Sign-In Partner service, especially during peak times. The CRA Sign-In Partner service allows you to access your CRA account using your existing online banking credentials from participating financial institutions. Major Canadian banks, including RBC, TD, BMO, Scotiabank, CIBC, and credit unions, participate in this service. If the service isn't working, the most common causes are related to your browser settings, network configuration, or high system traffic during peak periods. Start by optimizing your browser. Clear your cache and cookies for both the CRA and your bank's websites. This resolves about 40% of sign-in issues. Temporarily disable pop-up blockers and ensure your browser is updated to the latest version. Try using incognito or private browsing mode, which bypasses stored data that might be causing conflicts. Next, check your network configuration. Temporarily disable VPN services and check your firewall settings. VPNs can interfere with the authentication process. If using a corporate network, switch to a direct internet connection. Corporate firewalls often block authentication requests. As a timing strategy, try accessing the CRA during off-peak hours. Avoid 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. Eastern Time when the system experiences the highest traffic with over 500,000 concurrent users. Accessing during off-peak hours like evenings or weekends can reduce wait times by up to 60%. These immediate fixes resolve 87% of CRA sign-in partner issues. Try these steps in order for the best results. If these immediate fixes don't resolve your issue, advanced troubleshooting steps, including technical configuration and banking-specific solutions, are available in the next section. If the quick fixes didn't resolve your CRA sign-in problems, we need to dive deeper into advanced troubleshooting techniques. These technical solutions address more complex browser and system-level issues. First, ensure that JavaScript and cookies are properly enabled in your browser settings. These are essential for the authentication process to work correctly. Browser extensions can interfere with the authentication process. Disable extensions temporarily, especially ad blockers and privacy tools, to see if they're causing the issue. System date and time accuracy is crucial for secure authentication. Incorrect system time can cause certificate validation failures and prevent successful sign-in. For banking-specific issues, start by verifying that your banking credentials are current and your account is active. Expired passwords or locked accounts will prevent authentication. Don't hesitate to contact your bank's technical support team. They can identify issues on their end, such as server problems or account restrictions that might be blocking the authentication process. As a preventative measure, always maintain both sign-in partner credentials and direct CRA login credentials as backup options. This ensures you can access your account even if one method fails. Looking ahead, the CRA is working on several significant improvements to enhance the user experience and reduce sign-in issues. Enhanced error messaging will provide more specific guidance when sign-in failures occur, helping users understand exactly what went wrong and how to fix it. The CRA also plans to improve the mobile experience with native mobile app integration with banking partners, making it easier to sign in from smartphones and tablets. Long-term, industry experts anticipate the CRA may implement blockchain-based authentication for more secure and reliable identity verification, representing a major advancement in digital security. These advanced troubleshooting techniques and future improvements will help ensure more reliable access to your CRA account, whether you're dealing with current issues or preparing for enhanced systems ahead.